Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Nissan Skyline GTR R34 and this is by Hotwheels from their Silver series and from the movie franchise Fast and the Furious and specifically from the set Brino Corner. So okay, the MRP of this is $299. Again, this is not my car. One of my good friend Freddy actually handed this over to me to unbox. So he bought this actually for scalper price, which is 600. So I mean, uh, please don't buy from scalpers, please don't encourage them. So let's unbox this one. So if you guys remember, I did unbox this casting nearly a year and a half back during 2023 when it came to India, but under a different card actually. That also costed $299 if you guys remember. So I bought the entire 10 piece and I unboxed that entire set if you remember. So it is practically the same casting, but I just wanted to show you guys, it is the same casting. So I don't see any difference there, but let's see. Okay. Okay. So here it is. So out of the box, the casting looks really solid and you can see a little bit of paint bubble here on the hood. Behind this I'm talking about, not this one I'm talking about. Small paint bubble here, but okay, the interior looks really nice and the livery looks really nice. I don't see much of an issue so far, but you can see here it is not printed properly, given that this is like, I mean, the most sought after casting and they can't do this properly. I mean, if you guys bought the Tomica version of this one with openable doors and everything, that was gorgeous. I did unbox that one. If you guys want to see it, just check my Tomica playlist. I did unbox that. This Nissan by Tomica and the Supra as well. Both look really gorgeous. I'm really sorry about the noise, guys. It's like midnight now, around like 2:30 a.m. or 2:45 a.m. So yeah, the stray dogs are there. Okay. So headlights are painted, the grill details are there, and so this side also we are having the same issue, on the paint. So the rims looks really basic, nothing really cool or anything. So it has taillight details as well. The logo placement is good, but the logo itself is not good. I mean, I don't know why they are messing up every time. If Majorat can do it, why can't these guys do? Okay, so now, okay, the interior looks really nice, fine. Okay, so the body is fully metal, the spoiler is also metal, the chassis is plastic, and the chassis has some detailing to it which is really nice. We show it in this way. These details are really nice. I really wish they actually did this fully in metal for $299. Instead of putting rubber wheels, just put this normal wheels and just give full metal car. That would be really nice to have. I'm not sure why they are not doing that. Greedy, I guess. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. Okay, 39 grams. That's really good. I'm hoping that this would perform well on track. Let's see. Let's do a roll test. Yeah, it does perform well on track. Okay, let's try again. Oh my god, the wheel wobble is a lot. You can literally see the front of the car is pitching like this. Oh my god, it makes a lot of noise. It does roll really well, but I mean, you need to compromise on this. It has a lot of wheel wobble and it literally shakes the track. But it does crosses the end actually, and that is really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.